In this video, we will learn how to install Kali Linux on Windows in VirtualBox. After watching this video, you will be able to install Kali Linux in Windows without any hurdle. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to install the VirtualBox. For that, open your favorite browser and search for VirtualBox. Head towards the official website of VirtualBox, and here you can see the download VirtualBox 7.0 button. Click on it, and now you have to select Windows hosts. After clicking on Windows hosts, the downloading will be started. As VirtualBox has been downloaded successfully, double click on its setup to run this. Now it is showing you the installation window. Simply click on next, again next, and now it is showing you a warning. Just ignore it and click on yes, again yes. Now you just have to click on install to install the VirtualBox. It will be installed shortly. Just leave this option checked and click on finish. Clicking on finish will launch the VirtualBox, and here you can see the VirtualBox has been launched. Now the only thing we need is Kali Linux ISO file. For that, again head towards your browser and type kali.org and press enter. Here you can see the official website of Kali Linux. You just have to click on this download button, and here it is showing you the installer images and virtual machines. You just have to click on virtual machines, and now it is showing you the VirtualBox here. As my operating system is 64-bit, I am going to simply click on this downward arrow button to start the downloading. And here you can see the downloading has been started. It will take a while. Here you can see we have successfully downloaded the ISO image of Kali Linux. Now just extract it. After extracting it, head towards the VirtualBox, and here you just have to click on this new button. After clicking on this, you will see this box. You have to fill some data, like it is asking for name. I am going to name my virtual machine as Kali Linux. Here you can change the folder where your virtual machine will be placed. So I'm going to click on others, and here in the local XD, I am going to create a new folder with the name Kali VM. I will just select this folder, and now I have to select the ISO image. Click on it and click on others. Head towards the directory where you have downloaded the ISO image of Kali. Here I will double click on this and it will be selected. Now you just have to click on next. Here you can customize the memory according to your preferences. I am okay with 2 GB and I am okay with one processor. However, again, you can customize them according to your preferences. Now I am going to click on next. Now it is asking for some hard disk space. You can assign it according to yours, like I am okay with 25 GB. I'm just going to click on next. Okay, click on finish, and here your virtual machine has been created. Now you just have to double click on this tab and it will launch the virtual machine for you. As we are going to run this machine first time, it will take a while, and here you can see the installation process has been started. So you just have to select the Kali GNU/Linux option by pressing enter. After selecting this option, the Kali Linux will boot up. Now we can see the login window. The default username is Kali, and same, the default password is Kali. Just click on the login button, and here we have successfully installed and logged in into the Kali Linux. So this was our today's tutorial in which we have learned how to install Kali Linux on Windows.